Hello, this is Mohammed Atman, and this is me reviewing my code. I have 5 files, and I'll begin with the first one, which is chat client.py. So this is just a script that serves as the client-side application for the chat system. It starts by importing necessary modules. That's why we have these. Um, those modules are for network communication and handling user input. The client establishes a socket connection to the server using the port number provided through command line arguments. Once it connects, the user is prompted to enter their name, which is then sent to the server. The script initializes 2 threads, one for receiving from the server, and then which is receiving thread, and then one for sending messages to the server, which is sender thread. Each thread handles its part of the communication, and then it allows the users to send and receive messages concurrently. So that's it for this one. And then we'll go on to the next one, which is chat server.py right there. This one is just the server side of the script system. It listens for incoming client connections on a specified port. It uses Python socket and threading modules to handle multiple client connections simultaneously. Once a client connects, the script attempts the connection and creates a new instance of a receiver thread to handle incoming messages from that particular client. This particular receiver thread is responsible for receiving messages from the connected client, and it also broadcasts them to all the other connected clients besides the sender. This setup allows the server to manage multiple active chat sessions concurrently. That's why I want to test. That's why it has like the multiple responses. So that's it for this one. Then we have client receive. This is just like just meant to help the other two, really the chat server and the chat client. This module defines a receive class that extends threading.thread, enabling it to run in a separate thread for each client in that chat application. The class is designed to continuously listen for new messages from the server over a client socket connection. When the messages are received, they are immediately printed to the client's console. And if the connection is lost when a message is received, the thread will terminate, ensuring that the resources are cleanly freed up. And now we have client send. Should be client send. Yeah, right here. Client send is very similar to our last one. It has a send class that also extends starting.thread. This class handles sending messages from the client to the server. It also continuously reads messages from the user through standard input and sends them through a client socket connection to the server. Once the user stops providing input, it'll exit and clean up resources. That's wrong. Exit. And then the last one should be server receive. Um, this script also features the receive class we used earlier. This handles the server-side reception of messages from clients. Each client connection gives its own instance of this class, running in a separate thread. The class first receives the client's name to prepend it all to the messages from that client. It then enters the loop right here, while message.bytes, listening for messages, and when received, it broadcasts these messages to all other connected clients. And that is really it. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.